Good morning, students. In this corona situation, I expect that all of you are healthy and safe in home. So I suggest you to all to stay in home. Okay. So let's start today's class. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 2 of science, that is components of food. So let's start. So before starting, I want to say that in the last class we have studied about the food means where does it come from. So we have studied about variety of food and what are the sources of food and different plant products and animal products of food. Okay, and the different types of animals according to their food habits. So these are the things we have studied in last class. I hope you have understood all those things. So let's jump to next chapter. So components of food. So what are the components of food? Means we are eating different types of food and we are having different types of food in our meals, means in our breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we are not eating same type of food every time, or we are not eating one food at a single time. For example, if in breakfast what we are taking, we are not taking like only roti, or we are not taking only poha, like this. If we are taking something, we are taking different variety of fruits. Like if we are taking roti, with roti we are taking different sabjis. Or if we are eating poha, with poha we are eating one curry, like this. And those have different ingredients. Okay, and let's consider about meals. We are eating meals in daytime and in night time. So meals does not contain single type of food or single variety of food. That contains different variety of food. For example, look, we are eating different types of foods. Look at here. Here I have given the example of one state, two states, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. So if I will tell that in Odisha, the most common food and famous food is pokhalo. But when we are eating pokhalo, that is watered rice, we are not eating only pokhalo. Sometimes we are taking chingudi sukhua, means that dry prawn curry. Then we are dry prawn. Then sago bhaja, means those leafy vegetables fry. Then bodi chura. This is one type of special food in of Odisha. So these are taking, means we are taking variety of food in a meal. So why you are taking variety of food? Let's take the example of Tamil Nadu, that is present in south of India. We are taking rice, sambar and rasam, kulambu and curd and pickle. So those Tamil Nadu people are taking this type of food in meals. Okay, so here see, we eat different types of vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses. Okay, cereals means in Odia you used to say cereals means dhano, gohomo, those are coming under cereals, means rice, wheats. Okay, and pulses means all the dals. ଯେତିକି ବି ଡାଲି ତମେ ଖାଉଛ ସବୁ କାହା under ଆସିବ? Pulses. So meal consists of rice, dalma, any vegetable fry and khata. This is the simple and common meal of Odisha. So another meal consists of makki roti, rajma, sarso saag, curd, ghee. So this is another meal of Punjab. Yet another meal may be rice, sambar, rasam, kodambum, curd, pickle. Okay, it is eaten in Tamil Nadu or in south side. Okay, South India. So these are the different examples we are taking different food we are taking in meals. So why we are not taking a single item or a single food in a meal? Why we are taking different types of food in a meal? Because our body needs different kinds of food for different purpose, means special purpose. Like we are doing so many works, like students are reading, they are writing, they are studying, they are playing. So for different types of work we need different types of work of body. For the different types of works of bodies we need different types of food. So all these functions are regulated by our what food we are taking. तो जहाँ भी food आमे खाऊचु, जो different types of food खाऊचु, सेटा कौन करुचे आम body रे जहाँ जहाँ आमे काम करुचु, work करुचु, ता पाई एटा necessary, means useful. Okay, so what you have to do, I have written 2, you have to fill all these except Odisha. Odisha you can write, for except Odisha you will fill all these 5 places with different states or region. Like you here I have kept south, you can fill one row with south or north, another one, if one row is north, then south, east, west, northeast. So you have to write the name of one region or state from north, south, east, west, northeast. Then you will write the item of grain, item of dal or meat, vegetables and other things they are eating in their meals. तो तुमको कौन करिया पड़िबो, हम north, south, east, west और northeast direction रे जो जो region और state अछि, means राज्य नहले अंचल अछि, सेही जगार ना नेम लिखिया पड़िबो. तापरे सेही जगारे को टाइप ऑफ आइटम ऑफ ग्रेन खांती, मीन्स को माने व्हीट खांती, गहम नहले को माने राइस खांती. ओके, को आइटम डाल खांती आउ कोन मीट खाउथबे. ओके, like Bengalis are famous for eating fish, so you can write in West Bengal that is fish curry. Then vegetables, what vegetables are available there, कौन vegetables एठी मिलुची, and other things except like curd pickle they are taking, we are taking body chura, like that you can write other food also. So you have to fill this one by yourself. Okay, I'll show you. This is the India map. So north side it is coming Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttaranchal, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. These all states and union territories are coming under north side, north direction of or North India. Next, this is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. These all are coming on west side of India. Then Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These states and union territories are coming under South India. Then Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. All these are coming on East India. Then Northeast India consists of Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So you have to choose from these, from north, from south, from east, from west and northeast, one region or state and fill the previous form. Okay, जो previous table जो दिया जाइए सेथरे कोथरो नॉर्थ इंडिया रो गोटे स्टेट और रीजन, साउथ इंडिया रो गोटे स्टेट और रीजन, ईस्ट इंडिया रो, देन वेस्ट इंडिया रो, देन नॉर्थ ईस्ट ए रीजन रो गोटे गोटे चूज करिकी गोटे गोटे स्टेट राज्य बा यूनियन टेरिटरीज चूज करिकी तमे सेट लिखियो. ता सहित तार फूड हैबिट कोन कोन फूड आइटम से माने मील्स रे प्रिफर करते से जिनसटा को मेंशन करिवो. आ ओडी ताकू छाड़ी की ओडिशा तमरो एक्स्ट्रा ओडिशा रो गोटे मील्स तमे लिखिवो. Okay, let's move to next. So there must be some region the Y meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? Yes, because our body is made of different organs and organ systems. So and we need to function the body we need different types of food. आम बॉडी रो काम आम बॉडी रो जो बहुत सारा अंग अच्छी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अंग प्रत्यंग अच्छी मींस बॉडी पार्ट्स अच्छी तार फंक्शन पे मींस तार काम पे हमको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड दरकार हमको एनर्जी दरकार वी नीड एनर्जी हमको एनर्जी कहा पे दरकार काम करबा पे so we need energy for work our body needs food for growth and repair आम बॉडी रो ग्रोथ पे मींस आमे बढ़िबा पे हमरो आमे छोटो बेले जातली बड़ बेले से अछि के ना हमरो ग्रोथ हे चलजी मींस आमे बढ़ी चलजी हमरो हाइट बढ़ुची वेट बढ़ुची ओके एंड लेंथ ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स माने हाथ गोड़ तार सब लंबा होची केमती होची बिकॉज़ वी दैट इज हैपनिंग ड्यू टू फूड पे ही से जिंस होची ओके एंड वी आर फाइटिंग फ्रॉम वेरियस डिजीजेस ओके हमको बहुत सारा रोगरू बंचे पे कौन दरकार फूड दरकार so these foods means food components are necessary different types of foods are necessary for getting energy and for development and growth of our body and maintenance and repair of our body and for fighting to various diseases okay next see what do different food items contain different food items re kon achi okay the food is a basic requirement for all living organisms the ingredients of any dish contain some components that are needed by our body जो ingredients विषय हमें last class से पढ़थले सेथिरे कोन अछि सब डिश रे different ingredients थाए okay like for example simple example पखाल रे कोन ingredients अछि rice water and we are putting salt so these are different ingredients present in pakhal okay but we are needing all of them okay and these are the components we are needing and these components are called nutrients okay so the major components in our food are carbohydrates proteins fats vitamins and minerals food also contain dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body so major components and main components or what we are calling nutrients जो nutrients आम बॉडी रे अछि त nutrients जो food रे अछि जहा हमको दरकार से सब कोन होछि दोज आर carbohydrates proteins fats vitamins minerals dietary fibers and water okay so for example I had told about pakhal in pakhal we have water so water is needed for body then in there we have rice is also needed for body rice contain carbohydrates and that is carbohydrate rich food so we get carbohydrate from carbohydrates we get energy then there is salt we are putting salt for taste and salt contain minerals so we are not getting from pakhala we are not getting all these nutrients so with pakhala we need other items so that we can get proteins fats vitamins and dietary fibers that's why we take different types of food for getting all these nutrients at a single time गोटे टाइम रे ही आमे गोटे समय रे आमे एई सब न्यूट्रिएंट पाया पाए आमे कोन खाओ different types of food खाओ so we got the answer why do you think that our body needs different kind of food for special purpose and why meals usually contain such a distribution all meals रे काहे के अलग अलग food थाए that is the only reason that we need all these nutrients and we get all these nutrients from a meal okay let's move so what do various nutrients do for our body our body पे nutrients माने कौन करते let's see number 1 nutrient is carbohydrates are present mostly as starch so carbohydrate को हमें कौन को starch they provide us with energy and called energy giving food हमको थ्रू कौन मिले एनर्जी दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एनर्जी गिविंग फूड सेते हम ता कौन कहउछु एनर्जी गिविंग फूड फॉर एग्जांपल राइस व्हीट पोटैटो सुगर केन पपाया माइजे बाजरा एटसेट्रा दैट्स व्हाई sugar rich food or sugar food we used to tell carbohydrates. So carbohydrates contain sugar, that is starch. Next, proteins. Food containing proteins are also called body building foods. So what is? They help in growth and maintenance, means growth, maintenance and repair of body. Okay. So repair means what? When something is broken, your mobile is, if mobile is broken, what you are doing? You are going to the shop to repair the mobile. Like that, protein what it is doing, when there is tear and wear. Tear wear means ଯଦି ତମର ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ହେଇଗଲା, ଘା ହେଇଗଲା, ତାପରେ କଣ ହୁଏ, ସେଇ ଜାଗାଟା ଠିକ ହେବା ପାଇଁ, ସେଇ ଜାଗାଟା ହିଲ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଦରକାର? ପ୍ରୋଟିନ୍ ରିଚ୍ ଫୁଡ୍. ପ୍ରୋଟିନ୍ ରିଚ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ ଟୁ रिपेयर द बॉडी, मीन्स से जगह पुणी थे स्किन ग्रो करे, आउ तुम कौन हुए, से जो घा होता है से जगह ठीक हो सारा पर कौन हुए, से जगह आउ थे स्किन ग्रो हो जाए, आउ सेटा कौन जे फिक्स हो जाए. सो दैट इज ड्यू टू प्रोटीन. सो प्रोटीन नॉट ओनली हेल्प्स इन ग्रोथ but also repairs the body. That's why it is known as body building foods, means body को build करे. Okay, body को तैयारी करे. So example is pulses or dals. All the dals like तमे हरड़ डाली, बुटर डाली, आउ कौन मुग डाली, ए सब बिरी डाली, ए सब खाऊछो. So all the dals are coming under pulses. In English that is termed as pulses. Beans, peas, fish. Fish means motor, fish, meat, egg, milk, etc. These contain protein. So these are protein rich food. Next, fats. Fats are what? Fats are high energy nutrients. So carbohydrate is also giving energy and fat is giving energy. But fat used to give more energy than carbohydrates. So if we are taking little amount of fat, we get more energy. हमें अल्प fat नहीं कि भी more energy पाई पाएगा. So they are needed in moderate amount of by body. आम body ताको कौन करे, moderate amount means अल्प amount रे अल्प नहीं. Fats are reserved food material of our body. आम body रे fat store हेकी रही जाए. सेही पे बेसी fat store हेले कौन हो, बेसी fat जमा हेले आमे मोटा हे जाओ. We become, that's why people used to tell them fat. Okay. So oil, ghee, butter, milk, fish, meat, eggs, groundnuts, til, almond, etc. are fat rich food. Next, this is the human body. Human body needs carbohydrate for energy. So these are the example of pictures of food which contain carbohydrate. Sweet potato, sweet potato, you know, that is kondamula. Potato, sugarcane means akhu. Papaya is your amrutabhanda. Melon, जोटा तरबुज. Mango, maize. Okay, maize रे तमरो corn जीवो, बाजरा. Okay, then rice, wheat. Next, fat. All the oils are fat, except that meat, fish, egg, cream, milk, ghee, butter, these also contain fats. So fats have plant sources and animal sources. From plant, if we are getting fat from plant, that is plant source, and if we are getting fat from animal, that is animal sources. Like groundnuts, सब प्रकार बादाम जोड़ा खाऊचो, nuts, til, then soybean oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, all these are fats. Next, proteins. Proteins are, these carbohydrates and fats are giving energy. So fats are giving, means fats have high rich energy. Fats gives high rich energy. So proteins for body building and repair of body. So growth, maintenance and repair of body. So protein contains protein, also some animal source are there and plant source are there. Plant source are gram, moong, tur dal, beans, soya beans, peas, etc. Those are plant proteins. Animal proteins are meat, fish, paneer, egg, milk. Okay. So next nutrient is vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. So what the function or work of vitamins is to protect our body against disease. Disease means हमको रोग रो रक्षा करिया पे protect करिया पे vitamins रो help निया जाए. So vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, gums healthy. हमारे eyes को, bones को, teeth को and gums. Gums means दांत माढ़ी जोटा को आजे ताको healthy रखे. Then different kinds of vitamin are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. हम body को बहुत कम दरकार ए vitamin, but we need तारो दरकार अच्छी, but एमिति नहीं कि हमें बिल्कुल यूज करिबानी कम दरकार बोली, हमको को कम दरकार, but that is necessary. Okay. Next, look here. Names of vitamins are given, functions of vitamins, examples of vitamins. So vitamin A keeps eyes, skin and healthy, eyes and skin healthy. Example, papaya, carrot, mango, fish oil, milk, etc. Vitamin B complex helps the body use energy from the food we eat. जहाँ food हमें खाऊ छु तार energy बाहर करिया पे कौन दरकार vitamin B complex, wheat, rice, liver, etc. Okay. Vitamin C helps heal wounds and helps body to fight against diseases. Disease रो fight करिया पे और wounds, wounds means घा को heal करिया पे, heal means ठीक करिया पे. Okay. And helps body to fight against diseases. Orange, tomato, guava, green chili, lemon, etc. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Bones और teeth पे calcium दरकार और सही calcium को use करिया पे किए help करे vitamin D. Milk, fish, butter, egg, liver, etc. are example of vitamin D. So one thing is there, our body produce vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight or help रे हम body कौन produce करे vitamin D. So that's why you are suggested to go outside in early morning to get sunlight. तो सनलाइट पाया पे सकाळे सकाळे कोन होबा कथा बाहर को जिबा कथा आ वॉक करिया कथा सो दैट तमे कोन पाइबो विटामिन डी. ओके, बट nowadays people are not going outside, that's why they are not getting vitamin D and vitamin D deficiency is also there. ओके, तो कोन हुए vitamin D रो माने प्राय एबे कोन अछि सकाळ सकाळ मींस छोटो पिला माने भी बाहर को बाहरंतीनी. Okay, so they are not getting proper sunlight. So समस्तों को proper sunlight दरकार for vitamin D. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin E maintains healthy skin, hair and slows down aging. हम skin को और hair को healthy पाए कौन दरकार vitamin E. आउ तासे तो slows down aging. Aging means to getting age, to getting old. Old हेबा process को से कौन करे slow कर दिए. And example is vegetable oils. All the vegetable oils like sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, nuts. सब nuts means badam, seeds जैसे कि मंजे अच्छी green leafy vegetables, those contain vitamin E. Then vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting. Blood clotting is what? When you have cut in your body, what you are getting? Blood is coming out, but that is not coming out continuously. After some time, the blood flow is stopped. Why? Because due to blood clotting, the blood flow stopped. कौन है जे जोटी तमरो कट है जाय थाए कटि जाय थाए तो कौन होय सेठो ब्लड बाहरिबा स्टार्ट करे. ब्लड बाहरिबा स्टार्ट होले किछि टाइम पर सेठो हाउ ब्लड बाहरनी कोन पाए काइना सेठी ब्लड सुखी जाय कि क्लॉट करि जाय. ओके, आ जो ब्लड टा से जगह पाखरे क्लॉट है थाए सुखी जाय थाए से कोन करे आउ ब्लड को भीतरु बाहर को आसे को दिए नाही. So that is blood clotting, and this blood clotting is due to vitamin K. And bone healing, bone जते भांगी जाए तार healing पाए सेते our body repair. This for body repair, bone healing and blood clotting, vitamin K is necessary. Okay, so cabbage, spinach and pomegranate, these are examples of vitamin K. So in cabbage रे अच्छे cabbage means जो बंधा कोबी, spinach जोटा को तुम कहजो पालंग सागो and pomegranate in Hindi अनार. I am not remembering the Odia name. Okay. So these are examples and functions of vitamins. Okay, different vitamins. So let's see the pictures of vitamins. These are vitamin A. All these are given in your book. Then vitamin B, then vitamin C, then vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Next you see, next nutrient is minerals. So minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Like vitamins, minerals are also needed in small amount. Vitamin भया minerals भी हमको बहुत कम quantity रे दरकार. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. आमरो good health पाई और आमरो growth पाई proper amount of growth पाई हमको minerals दरकार. Like examples iodine helps in body functions. Body function में iodine help करे कोउठी थाए fish, ginger, salt etc. phosphorus टा कोउथरे यूज है formation of bones and teeth. हमरो bones हाड़ आउ teeth जब दांत तैयारी पाई कौन दरकार phosphorus. Milk, banana, chili etc. iron टा कौन iron बटिका तुमको दिया जाए why that is needed for formation of blood तैयारी पाई हमको कौन दरकार iron. Okay, that is present in spinach, guava माने पिजुड़ी, liver etc. Calcium is needed for maintaining strong bones or teeth. दांत आओ bones means हाड़ो को strong करिया पाई कौन दरकार calcium. That's why that is present in egg milk. So these are about minerals. Then also we have dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are what? Dietary fibers are also known as roughes. ताको कौन कहे roughes? Whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, vegetables are main source of roughes. Roughes हमको कोठु मिले जोटा को तमे dietary fibers को तमे कहूछ तंतु हला whole grains रे pulses ओके जोटा कि whole grain अटा रे तमरो थिबो किंतु मैदा रे dietary fibers न थाए. Then pulses जो डाली potatoes आलू fresh fruit और vegetables ये सब रे तुमको roughes मिलियो. Roughes do not provide any nutrient to our body. Roughes किसी nutrient provide करने but this helps our body to get rid of undigested food. हमर जो digest है साला पर जो undigested food थे जोटा कि digest ही न थे सेटा हमरो कौन हुए ताकू हमें कौन को मल सही मल को means undigested food is harmful for our body if it will be stored in our body. आम body रही गले कौन हेबो से आम पूरे harmful effect पकेबो. That's why that needs to go out of body. ताको body रो बाहर हेबा दरकार. बाहर करिया पे हमर कौन दरकार हमर के हेल्प करे dietary fibers. So next is water. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Food रो nutrients absorb କରିବା ପାଇଁ हमको कौन दरकार water. Okay, water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some wastage from body as urine and sweat. हमरो urine जोटा को हमें कहूछ मूत्र और sweat means झाड़. मूत्र और झाड़ means urine and sweat हम बॉडी रो बाहर जेतले बाहर कौन बाहर से वाटर बाहर वाटर सहित कौन बाहर some waste product भी बाहर. So 60% of human body contain water. our body रो 60% होची water. Sources of water are drinking water, milk, tea, cooked food, raw vegetables, fruits etc. So water हमको कोठु मिले को सोर्स थाए ड्रिंकिंग वाटर जोटा में पीवा पानी रे, मिल्क रे थाए, क्षीर रे थाए, टी चा रे, कुक फूड जो फूड तैयारी है थाए, रॉ वेजिटेबल जो कंचा परिबा जोटा को हमें खाओ कंचा खाओ लाइक तमरो हला काकुड़ी ओके कुकुम्बर. Then fruits also फल खाइला बेले से जिंस माने हमको वाटर मिले. Okay, so these are the some pictures. Okay, iodine, then phosphorus, then iron, then calcium, then these contain dietary fibers. So this is about the components of food till what are the nutrients. So this is the first part of this chapter. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.